morning, students. How are you? Fine? Okay. I welcome you all in our English class of Standard 1, Video 8. Now, have you remembered what we have learnt in our last class? Remember? Yes, naming words. Now, what do you mean by naming words? What is naming words? Can you say? Okay, fine. Let me ask you some question. What is your name? Where do you live? Answer me. What is the name of your school? Who is your best friend? What is your favorite food? The answers to all these questions are called naming words, isn't it? So, naming words are the names of a person, place, thing, and animal, isn't it? Naming words are the names of a person, place, thing, and animal. Clear to you? Now let us do some worksheets. Worksheet number 1. Pick out the nouns in each sentence and write them in the blank space. Here some sentences are written. You have to pick out the nouns from each sentence and you have to write here in these blanks. Okay? Now first one. Rats run fast. Which word is noun? What is noun here? Yes, rats. So we will write here rats. Number B, we write with pencils. Noun, which one is noun? Pencils. So write here pencils. I saw an elephant in the zoo. Which one is noun here in this sentence? Yes, right. There are two nouns, elephant and zoo. So write here ELEPHANT, elephant, and zoo. There are boys and girls in a class. How many nouns are here? Boys, girls, and class. Person and place. Here, animal and place. Isn't it? So, boys, girls, and third one, class. Number E. We can see the moon and the stars. How many nouns? Moon and stars. Right here, moon and stars. And the last one, cow gives us milk. How many nouns are here? Cow and milk. Clear to all? You can identify noun from in these sentences. Okay. Now, second one. Second one. Underline the naming words. What you have to do? You have to underline the naming words. Here also some sentences are written and you have to underline the naming words. First one, Rohan is a good boy. What are naming words here? Yes, Rohan, name of a person, and boy. Monkeys are sitting on the tree. Here, monkeys and tree. I will go to Delhi today. Here, name of a place, Delhi. The aeroplane is flying in the sky. Aeroplane and sky. The book is on the table. Here, the book and table. I have many books. Again, books. Neeta goes to school every day. Here, the name of a person, Neeta, and place, school. A doctor uses stethoscope. Here, doctor, name of a person and the thing, stethoscope. The pillow is on the bed. The pillow, name of a thing and bed. I ate 2 apples today. Here, apples. Clear to you all? You have to underline the naming words. Here there are the name of person, animals, place, thing, all are here. You have to identify the noun and underline it. Clear to you? Now let us go to the third worksheet. It's very interesting. See, one picture is given here. Just look at the picture very carefully. What are the things that you can see here? Just look at the picture. Now, what you have to do? See, what is the question? Write 6 naming words from the picture. Now, look this picture very carefully. And you have to point out 6 naming words in this picture. And you have to write here. Now, look very carefully. Can you point out? Number 1, I can see here, boy. So, I will write here, boy. Then, girl is also here. So, here I will write girl. Now, they are playing with what? They are playing with blocks. I can write blocks. Now, they are standing in I think it is a playground or park. Anything we can write. Or we can write grass also. They are standing on a grass. Grass. Now, some books are kept here. See? I can write here books. Trees. One tree is also here. Bushes are here. So write tree. One more thing. I have written only 6, but you can write many things. See here, butterfly is also there. The girl is wearing a rubber band or a hair band, isn't it? They are wearing shoes, isn't it? Bushes are here. So you can write anything. You have to pick out 6 naming words from this picture and you have to write here. Clear to all? Now this one was our third worksheet. First one, pick out the nouns in each sentence and write them in the blank space. Second one, underline the naming words. You have to underline the naming words. And the third one, you have to pick out 6 naming words from this picture. Look at the picture carefully and whatever things you can write, write it down. Okay? Now, today's homework is write the date, write your homework, do this in a fresh page. Now, underline the naming words that you have done earlier. Number 1, cricket is a popular game. Mrs. Sharma teaches us music. Japan is a small country. Pooja is a pretty girl. Ramu ate bread and butter. Just read these sentences very carefully and understand it, then underline the naming words. Clear to all? Okay. Now, this much for today. In the next class, we will meet again. Okay? Bye bye.